Artificial intelligence is a fascinating field that has the potential to change our world. What is it? Let's see that. Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to the science and engineering of making intelligent machines. AI includes machine learning, where computers learn from data and make decisions based on that information. Natural language processing, NLP, which allows machines to understand human language. Expert systems, which use algorithms to mimic human thought processes. And neural networks, which are mathematical models designed to mimic biological brain activity. It's a computer program that acts like a human, or even more than one human. It can think for itself, learn from its mistakes, and make future decisions based on those decisions. It's important. Artificial intelligence has already been used in self-driving cars, where it can avoid accidents and make life-saving decisions on the fly. It can also help us with things like scheduling meetings and completing tasks more efficiently. It's not just important, it's useful. AI can work alongside humans to solve problems, keep everyone safer, and make the world a better place for all of us. And the future of artificial intelligence looks bright. Artificial intelligence is the next big thing. It's a field that's been around for decades, but it's only recently been able to achieve what we call transcendent levels of human-like ability. It's important because it will be used in everything from medical care to robotics and self-driving cars to intelligent textiles. It's useful because it can help us do our jobs better and save lives, which is why we're so excited about the future of artificial intelligence. As you might have guessed, artificial intelligence is the study of machines that think for themselves. It was first developed in 1950s when Alan Turing created the test for thinking machines. In 2016, IBM announced a computer system that could beat human champions at chess. Now, next question may arise. What's important about artificial intelligence? Let's see it. It's important because it's a part of our future. If we don't learn how to make computers work together in teams, then we won't be able to do things like design spacecraft or help doctors treat cancer. Artificial intelligence is a computer program that can learn to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. The term was first used in 1955 by John McCarthy, a computer scientist at Stanford University, when he presented the Dartmouth Conference on Logic and Computation. Artificial intelligence is important because it helps us understand how our brains work and will help us build better robots, and maybe even computers with consciousness. For today, it is enough. In our next video, we will talk about this in detail. So, make sure you have subscribed our channel. And as always, stay healthy.